بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Inshallah, welcome to page 13 of our book. I hope inshallah you understood the previous lessons. Please, if you have not understood the previous lessons, please make sure you rewatch the videos again and again until you are comfortable and it's easier for you. Inshallah, in today's page, we are going to be learning تدريبات على التفخيم والترقيق. Exercise on تفخيم and ترقيق. You remember تفخيم, we said these are heavy letters, and ترقيق, these are light letters, okay? And I gave you an example of the heavy letters, and we showed you in the previous lessons what the heavy letters are and what the light letters are. Okay, if I show you the heavy letters, it means the rest are light letters. Okay, now for example, look at the first one. We have thala. Okay, thala, sa, la, sala, thala, sala. So you can see these are light letters. Okay, they're not heavy on your mouth, okay, or on your pronunciation. Thala, sala. But look here, okay, we have kha, which is a heavy letter, kha, sorry, and also bod, okay, and here we have kha, which is a heavy letter, and dal, which is light. Okay, so we have khada, khada, kha, and da, khada, khada. Okay, kha and da, khada, khada. Okay, we have jim, ja, sa, jasa, jasa, both of them light. Ja, za, jaza, jaza. Okay, tha, a, tha'a, tha'a. Then we have dha. You remember dha is amongst the heavy letters. Okay, dha'a, 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 dha'a. Okay, we have fa and da. Remember da also is among حروف التفخيم. فضا, فضا. Okay, فضا, فدا, فدا. No heavy letter, letters here. قاتا. Remember qa is heavy. قاتا, قاتا, قاتا. قاطا, قاطا, قاطا. Okay, qaf is amongst the heavy letters, and ta, قاطا, قاطا, قاطا. Okay, baka, baka, very light. Baka, baqa, baqa, qaf, okay, is amongst the heavy letters. Baqa, okay, bada, light. Baqa, bada, عفوا, bada, 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 bada. So we have thala, sala, khada, khada, jasa, jaza, fa'a, dha'a, fada, fada, qata, qata, baka, baqa, bada, bada. Okay, let's go to the second half of the page. It's also exercise on the light and heavy letters. We have shadha, 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 jadha, jadha. Both of them light. Saba, 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 saba. The difference between sad and sin you can hear. Okay, one is heavy and one is light. Okay, saba and saba. Okay, then you have raza, raza. Okay, we said ra and lam are amongst the heavy letters, but they have to meet some criteria to be considered as heavy. Okay, so when ra has a fatha or a dhamma, they are heavy. Okay, most of the time, and when they have kasri, they are light. Okay, So Fatha, remember Fatha, we said these are the vowels which are on top, okay? Rosa, rosa, rosa. Rosa, 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 okay? حذا 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 حظى حظى. We have حذا and حظى حظى, okay? راع 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 and راح راح, okay? راح. ثم 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 سما سما سما. ترى ترى ترى. طرى طرى طرى, okay? ترى طرى. So you can see ta is light but ra is heavy. ترى ترى. Ta is also heavy, ra is also heavy. We said ra when it has a fatha, it's heavy. طرى طرى, okay? Gha is heavy. غزا غزا غزا. غسا غسا غسا, okay? So inshallah, I hope this page is easier and it has been understood. Inshallah, if you have any question, let us know. Please subscribe, share and comment. If you have any comment, inshallah, let us know if you want us to repeat the lesson again. If you have not understood, please repeat, rewatch again and again until it's easier and comfortable for you. And you must know the heavy letters, because if you do not know the heavy letters, the Quran is going to be challenging for you. Inshallah, ma'asalama. See you in the next video.